Hi, welcome back to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris. I'm one of the managers here. And today, I don't have just an ordinary 70 Chevelle. I have the 1970 Chevelle. It's an LS6 454, 450 horsepower, and this is a numbers matching car. And this car has a ton of history and paperwork on it. We have the original Protecto plate, we have the original window sticker, and a few other important documents that come with this car that really shows you that it is a real LS6 car. This car is absolutely beautiful. The paint is in great condition. Even the stripes, you have real thick clear coat over there. You don't even feel the edge of the stripes on there. That lets you know that this car has been done right. As Justin shows the front here, the chrome on this car is absolutely beautiful. This car is awesome. And one thing that makes this car special is it's pretty much a survivor. It's had one repaint on it, but other than that, it's not been on a rotisserie or anything like that. It's a pretty much all original car. Miles are believed to be original. By looking at the car, we can tell that more than likely that is the case on this car. Just absolutely beautiful. This one is pretty much all original how it would have been when you bought it off the showroom floor at the Chevrolet dealer. Awesome car. All the gaps on the car are excellent. All the trim is in good condition. This car runs really, really good. One thing that makes this car unique actually is that it is bucket seats with the console shift on here. So that makes it very, very unique. Most of these cars came either 4-speed manual with the Muncie transmission, or it came with the horseshoe shifter and the center console. So this car was ordered like this. In 1970, every option on this car was an option. So you could kind of build this car how you wanted. And the gentleman that owned this car wanted the column shift. So it definitely makes it kind of rare and unique and definitely one of a kind. As we move back to the back here, you can see the rear quarter. Everything is nice and clean. No signs of any kind of imperfections. The chrome, once again, on the back bumper here is absolutely beautiful. You got the classic Chevelle SS tips there. You got the black rubber SS bumper. Overall, this car is absolutely beautiful, and it's by far one of the nicest Chevelles I've ever been around. And it being the LS6 definitely makes it a rare one. But an awesome car all around. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk. I'll show you how this trunk looks. It's just as pretty as the rest of the car. I'm going to be very careful putting the key in here. Don't want to scratch anything. You do have the original spare tire. You also have the original decals here that show you how to work the jack and everything. So that's really cool that that's still on the car. You have the original mat and everything back here. The trunk is all nice and clean. We'll go ahead and pull this mat back for you. Just a really beautiful car. But Justin, with that being said, let's go ahead and move our way up front and let's check out the engine. All right, now will you look at that. This is the LS6 454, 450 horsepower, just like it says on the air breather there. Just an absolute beautiful car. Like I mentioned before, this is a numbers matching 454 LS6 engine. And that's actually a really rare thing because a lot of these cars were out on the drag strip racing and doing that, so a lot of them got blown up. So that's what makes this car so unique and gives it so much value is it is the original LS6. So it's super cool to be able to see this and be around it. But overall, the engine bay is very, very clean. You've got the black tubs here, the black firewall. You've got the really nice and clean power brake booster over there. Overall, just a really nice car. It's done just like it was when it was bought off the showroom floor. Even under the hood is nice and clean. Overall, just a really, really beautiful car. And nothing much really more to say about it other than it's just amazing. But with that, let's go ahead and put it up on the lift and we can show you underneath and show you how clean this car is. Like I said, this car has not had an off-frame restoration. So for it to not be off the frame and be completely restored, this car is very nice and very clean underneath. So I'll go ahead and pull it up on the lift for you guys. Hey guys. Now you can see we're underneath the 1970 Chevelle here. As we're looking at the bottom of the LS6 engine, the oil pan has nice fresh Chevy orange paint on it. You do have the big, thick sway bar up front, which was part of the SS package on this car. As you can tell, this car has not been rotisserie. This has been a frame up. This car is believed to be original miles, so it's low miles. There's really never been a need to do a full off-frame restoration. No rust underneath here. Everything seems to be in good working order. I don't see any major leaks or anything like that. As we work our way on back here, you've got the TH400 transmission, which is believed to be the original transmission. All the floor pans look to be original. I don't see anything that looks like they've been cut or replaced, which is a good sign, shows this car was always in good condition. The frame rails and everything look nice and clean. I don't see any kind of rust or anything with those as well. Exhaust is in good condition. As we work our way on back here, we do have the original 12-bolt rear end here. You got a set of new shocks here for the rear end to help the ride. Drive shaft looks nice and tight and in good condition. Mufflers are in good condition. Overall, this car is in really, really good condition, and the people that own this car were trying to keep it as original as possible because of the pedigree of this car. So, you know, you're not going to see any shiny chrome pieces or any, you know, color matched bottom floor pans on this car. The people that had this car wanted to keep it as original as possible because it is all original, numbers matching. So this car is very unique. So it's not going to be super overly done under here, but everything that I see is very clean. I don't see axle seals leaking. I don't see the rear end leaking. Everything on this car is very sorted, but all original at the same time. So you're not going to get all the flash that you'll get on a full rotisserie. But with that being said, guys, if you're interested in this car, you can reach us at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris, me, or Justin. You can also check out more pictures. I've got about 120 pictures of this car on our website, collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. You can go on there, click. I've got all the casting numbers and everything on the pictures, so you can verify what we're saying on this car. But we do not see this car lasting long. This is a very unique and rare car. So if you're interested, you better call us soon. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We're all the time putting out new content with new inventory that are coming in, so you never know what you'll see on here. But with that being said, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.